Hi guys, it's Cute Fluff, Krista. I'm showing you the end result of a project I did. It is a 1970s milking cow from Mantel. And here I'm just showing that you can use the tail I made. But this is the picture of the original listing. And I didn't want to take on the project, but they lowered the price and I wanted to save it from the landfill. I had the feeling she was going to throw it away, the seller, if she didn't sell it. So I wanted to save it. This is me putting on that development cream where well, I washed it first here. It came really dirty, but I washed it and then I put on that developing cream to whiten it again, because half of it was very yellow versus the other side, and it worked great. This is the end result. It whitened quite a bit. There's still a touch of it, not too bad, and I didn't want to go too much further because I felt like I could damage it. You can damage things. This is it was tailless. Half the tail went missing. Well, this is what it's like to put it outside, to do that developing cream and whiten it. But now I'm going to start the project here to paint all the rubs and whatnot. I went slow and dabbed, wanting it to blend in well. So I just used like acrylic black paint and ended up drying satin like the actual finish. I did put a coat of like a small amount of varnish just to protect the paint job I did. I just had a feeling somebody would want this as a display piece, even though there's nostalgic reasons. Even though it wasn't a working game, it was a game where you actually used like a powder and then you create this milk liquid substance with that powder looking like it's milk. You put it in the cow somehow. Oh yeah, it had I forgot. It came with like a wooden plastic bucket. It looked like a wooden bucket, and you would raise the tail to bring down the head, but that mechanism no longer worked. And then you sopped up the milk somehow. Yeah, they don't make games like they do now versus back then. This is a 1978 or 79 game. And it would sop up that milky stuff, and then you milk the cow. That was a game. And I just thought this would be a really cool project to try to restore it. I sometimes think I want to keep the item, but then I realize it's a big toy to display, so I ended up listing it on my Poshmark. This stuff is Milliput. It is like, it's a clay that you mix. Once you mix the two pieces, here I am mixing the two pieces, it becomes a substance that you can mold ceramic type items to like basically fix your old ceramics or plastics, and it works really well. It takes a bit to mix, and voila! I don't show the process of how I figured out how to make a tail. It's not perfect, but I was happy with it. There's some crackling at the tip of the tail there, but I wanted it to just be a handle like it used to. I added that cowbell as a fun little accessory. I love her face. And there's the milking cow mechanism there. You would actually squirt out milk in the bucket. What a weird game, but I still think it's a creative little thing. Showing that milliput. I used a paper clip to install it on the broken bit. This bit is I found out there are actual grooves and I was trying to fix that, like deep grooves. Oh, after drying quite a bit, I wanted to test it and it worked. I can see why these often would snap off, kids being rough. But this is a display piece only now. It's no longer a workable game. I just think it's amazing sculpture, like a plastic sculpture to display if you're a cow lover. I love her face. Yeah, her head used to move, but no longer. And she would actually moo. But that's it. I restored the game. Cow. It's a display piece only. I painted it white because originally it's a white piece there. I'm testing it again. It was a fun project. Thanks for letting me share with you.